Hey, how you doing? Thanks for coming by the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Go ahead and click that bell notification, change it to all. That way you know when I upload videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. This project right here, our 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. The motor's out and pulled and inside the garage. So let me bring you in there and show you a little bit about that. So with that Eclipse build, we've got the 420A. I know, it's not the 4G63. However, this is going to be a daily driver once we're done with it. So we've got the 420A with the NVT 350 transmission right here. Yes, it is manual, 5-speed baby, banging gears. Now, this motor right here is junk. So let me show you the actual motor that we're going to use. Alright, so we got two spare motors, this one right here, and then this one right here. This is actually the built motor, as you can tell by the painted flywheel. The motor that's on the transmission is actually hydro-locked. I ended up buying this one from the junkyard right here, and I paid 300 bucks for it, and then I picked this motor up off from a guy named Nitro Kid 98. He built the block and the motor, so I've done a little bit of extra to it, like painting the log manifold and everything, and the new valve cover, which is at the house. So again, this is for the 95 Mitsubishi Eclipse that we're rebuilding, and I'm going to be using it as my daily driver once I get it on the road. Once I get it on the road, the 94 Honda Del Sol is going to become my oldest stepson's daily driver. So let's go ahead and show you guys that project. And this guy's right here is our 1994 Honda Del Sol. It is my daily driver. It does have a few modifications done to it, which I will explain in another video. So besides working on the Eclipse, the Del Sol, you'll see here in the quick second what else we do on the channel. And every great once in a while, you'll see some off-road stuff with the truck, and most likely the mini bikes and go-karts up at Busco Beach doing some trail riding. And with 3 go-karts and 6 mini bikes, odds are you'll see them on the channel too. So if you guys like what you've seen so far, do me a favor, hit that subscription button, then click the bell notification, turn it to all. Remember, I'll be uploading Tuesdays and Fridays, 5 p.m. Eastern time. I appreciate you sticking around.